SpaceX's Starship under legal threat, a potential setback for future space exploration. SpaceX is sailing the stars, but a lawsuit is trying to ground it. At the heart of the storm, SpaceX's Starship. A rival company filed a lawsuit contesting SpaceX's latest project. The suit alleges a breach of environmental protocol. The plaintiff claims SpaceX overlooked environmental impacts. They argue that Starship's launch frequency could pollute the atmosphere. If proven, SpaceX may have to halt Starship's development. This could be a massive setback for the colossal project. Ironically, SpaceX prides itself on being eco-friendly. Yet, this lawsuit may challenge that very claim. The case's outcome may have far-reaching implications. It could potentially impact the entire future of space exploration. In this cosmos of uncertainty, only time will reveal the fate of SpaceX's Starship and the future of space exploration.